In the shadowy corners of the internet, a concept emerged that would forever alter our understanding of currency. Bitcoin, a name that resonates with the promise of a financial revolution, came into existence with a whisper from an enigmatic creator. The year was 2009 when Nakamoto Satoshi, a pseudonym shrouded in mystery, unleashed Bitcoin upon the world. Nakamoto Satoshi remains an enigmatic figure in the crypto community. Their vision for Bitcoin was rooted in decentralization and financial freedom, said Expert 1. Expert 2 added, Bitcoin's white paper, published by Nakamoto Satoshi in 2008, laid the foundation for a peer-to-peer electronic cash system that operates without the need for intermediaries. Yet the veil over Nakamoto's true identity has never been lifted, fueling endless speculation and intrigue. Bitcoin's ripple effect has been monumental, challenging the very essence of traditional financial systems and igniting a wave of digital currency adoption. The mining process, a cornerstone of Bitcoin's infrastructure, ensures the creation of new coins and the integrity of transactions. This groundbreaking approach has not only sparked innovation, but has also paved the way for a new era of financial autonomy. As we stand at the cusp of a new chapter, the future of Bitcoin teeters between bright promise and deep uncertainty. Questions linger. Will Nakamoto Satoshi step out of the shadows? What innovations will shape the trajectory of this digital currency? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the crypto universe. Don't miss out on our journey. Like, share, and subscribe for a front row seat to the unfolding story of cryptocurrency. Until our paths cross again, embrace the hodl and keep your eyes on the horizon of possibilities.